At Control Bridge Group, we specialize in helping organizations navigate the complexities of ISO 27001. Centriosis is our brand dedicated to implementing ISO 27001 standards. Visit centriosis.com to learn more. Today, we're focusing on a key component of the standard, Clause 6.1.1, Actions to address risks and opportunities. What does it mean? Why is it critical? How can you ensure compliance? Let's take a closer look. Clause 6.1.1 is the first part of Section 6 in ISO 27001, which covers planning. Its purpose is to ensure your organization is taking proactive steps to identify risks and opportunities that could affect the performance of your information security management system. But it's not just about risk avoidance, it's also about improvement. You're expected to determine opportunities to enhance the information security management system and then act accordingly. In simple terms, identify risks and opportunities. Plan actions to address them. Integrate these actions into your processes. Evaluate their effectiveness. Let's talk scope first. Clause 6.1.1 applies to the entire information security management system, from top-level governance to operational controls. Whether you're a small tech startup or a multinational enterprise, the principle is the same. You must understand the internal and external issues that affect your information security management system, along with the needs of interested parties, like customers, regulators, and partners. Now, what about evidence? To demonstrate compliance, here's what you'll need. A risk and opportunity assessment. This doesn't have to be a separate document, but it must clearly show how risks and opportunities are identified and evaluated. Documented planning. Show how you've planned actions to address them. This might be in your risk treatment plan, ISMS manual, or meeting minutes. Integration evidence. There should be clear evidence that these actions are embedded in your day-to-day processes, whether it's project planning, vendor onboarding, or internal audits. Monitoring and review records. This proves you're not just planning, you're checking effectiveness too. Remember, ISO 27001 doesn't prescribe how to do it, it asks that you do it, and do it meaningfully. At Control Bridge Group, we support organizations just like yours to build risk-aware, resilient information security management system frameworks. We provide risk and opportunity workshops, custom documentation templates, expert-led implementation support, internal audit readiness and training. Whether you're just starting your ISO 27001 journey or refining an existing system, we're here to help. Clause 6.1.1 is often overlooked, yet it's foundational. If it's not done right, it can impact your entire certification effort. Have questions about Clause 6.1.1 or ISO 27001 compliance in general? Let's talk. Reach out to Control Bridge Group today. We're here to make compliance clear, actionable, and tailored to your needs. Visit centriosis.com to discover our ISO 27001 application and subscribe to stay protected and compliant.